If you struggle getting out of your vehicle due to surgery, back pain, or limited mobility, the HandyBar from Stander can help you stand with confidence. The support handle fits into the door striker of almost any vehicle door and places the handle in the optimal position for maximum leverage and support while sitting and standing. The HandyBar supports up to 350 pounds and comes with a window breaker and seatbelt cutter. So if you have trouble getting in and out of your vehicle, the HandyBar from Stander can give you a helping hand to stand independently.